By far the most common flooring for bathrooms is ceramic or porcelain. Makes a lot of sense because this stuff is impervious to water, very, very durable, and available in a lot of different colors. And the good thing, it's gotten pretty inexpensive. You can actually get ceramic now for as little as 75 cents per square foot. Now there's another flooring that you see a lot in bathrooms, but it's a little more expensive. That's natural stone. It installs very similar to ceramic, but you're talking about a little more money, a little more care and installation, also a little maintenance because it has to be sealed after it's been installed for a few weeks and also at least once a year after that. Now, some other floorings that are available that are a little less expensive include vinyl. Now, it's available in sheet goods or vinyl tiles, and vinyl tiles are a little more do-it-yourself friendly, and the good thing about vinyl as a category, it's much less expensive than most any other floor that you can put in your bathroom. Hey, some other ideas, laminate. You see a lot of people putting down the floating laminate floors. You also see hardwood in bathrooms quite a bit, but you really have to be a lot more careful to keep any wet towel or any moisture away from these floors. Now, I have seen a few bathrooms with carpet. Don't suggest that. Now, almost any floor that you install in your bathroom, other than maybe carpet, will require the removal and maybe the replacement of the toilet.